Hey, Namaskar. What I am doing? I am just preparing for an upcoming party. Sometimes I think that we do understand that we need some kind of preparation for anything we do, be it making lunch, making dinner, be it about going on a journey, be it a ritual, be it a party. But we do not understand that we need certain preparation for pregnancy planning also. When a couple comes together and thinks about planning a baby, so what does it actually mean? Yes, it is a natural process. It can happen naturally, and it will happen naturally. But there are certain aspects. It is not something just physical. It is not something just emotional. There is more than 100% involvement that is needed from both the side, from male's perspective also, for feminine perspective also. So here in Medini Care, we help you into planning a pregnancy. What does it contain? It contains Virya Shuddhi, it contains Raja Shuddhi, it contains Ojas Vardhanam. uh, Ultimately, these things result in physical strengthening, mental strengthening, emotional strengthening, energy strengthening, which will guide you how to balance your life, how to balance your hormones, how to balance your energies. Because once you are stable, once you are fit, physically, emotionally, mentally, and energy level wise, then only you would be able to invite the most eligible life into your life to be a part of you. Also, only then you would be able to hold that life, you would be able to nurture that life, you would be able to control and direct it towards a bright future. So, Garbha Sanskar is done after pregnancy, but Garbhadhan is also very, very, very important. So, who should join this program? It should be joined by people who are into pregnancy planning stage and are facing some difficulties in conceiving. Also, it can be done by people who are planning pregnancy after a later stage. Maybe suppose if we are just married and we are planning a pregnancy after 2 or 3 years, but we are working, both of us are working, and we are into corporate worlds. We have a very stressful life. We do not have much time for each other, or not even time for ourselves. So we can ensure that we are, fertile enough that if we plan a baby after 2 years also, then also we would be in a better position, we would be very much receiving, we should be very much strengthened to invite, to plan, and to conceive a baby. So think about it. It actually needs a very good preparation, because it is not just about you, it's about the new life that you are responsible for. है ना? I think this will do.